Welcome to the Japanese lesson for beginners. We shall continue to learn more vocabulary and sentence construction before moving on to building conversations.
図書館、
Which means library.
図書館、図書館。食べます、
Which means to eat.
食べます、食べます。2階、
Which means second floor.
2階、2階。飲みます、
Which means to drink.
飲みます、飲みます。飲み物、
Which means beverage.
飲み物、飲み物。食堂、
Which means cafeteria or canteen.
食堂、食堂。
We shall have a look at the basic demonstratives in Japanese.
ここ、
Is used to indicate a specific location that is near to the speaker.
そこ、
Is used to indicate a specific location that is closer to the listener than the speaker.
ここは食堂ですか？
Which means, is this the cafeteria?
ここは食堂ですか？ここは食堂ですか？そこは図書館です。
Which means, that is the library.
そこは図書館です。そこは図書館です。あそこ、
Is used to indicate a location that is far from both the speaker and the listener.
どこ、
Is an interrogative expression which is used to ask about the location of someone or something.
トイレはどこですか？
Which means, where is the toilet?
トイレはどこですか？トイレはどこですか？あそこです。
Which means, it is over there.
あそこです。あそこです。
This is a conversation between you and your Japanese friend. While walking along the corridor, the scent of freshly prepared coffee filled the air nearby. As your friend was approaching from the opposite end, you curiously asked,
すみません。ここは食堂ですか？
"Excuse me, is the cafeteria here?" Your friend noticed a group of students enjoying their coffee while they were reading books and responded,
いいえ、そこは図書館です。
"No, the library is there." You wanted to wash your hands before going for lunch. You asked your friend,
トイレはどこですか？
"Where is the toilet?" Your friend turned around and pointed to the far right corner while responding,
あそこです。
"It is over there." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
すみません。ここは食堂ですか？いいえ、そこは図書館です。トイレはどこですか？あそこです。誰、
Is also the Japanese equivalent for who, which is used to ask a person's identity.
龍崎は誰ですか？
Which means, who is Ryuzuki?
龍崎は誰ですか？龍崎は誰ですか？私が龍崎です。
Which means, I am the one who is Ryuzuki.
私が龍崎です。私が龍崎です。これは誰の財布ですか？
Which means, whose wallet is this?
これは誰の財布ですか？これは誰の財布ですか？これは私の妻の財布です。
Which means, this is my wife's wallet.
これは 私の妻の財布です。これは私の妻の財布です。
This is a spontaneous conversation where you suddenly spot a wallet lying on the ground, and you picked it up and quickly checked inside for identification. The name Ryuzuki catches your eye. Hoping to find the owner, you hold the wallet high above your head and called out loudly.
龍崎は誰ですか？
Who is Ryuzuki? A gentleman in the distance gestured towards you and responded.
私が龍崎です。
I am the one who is Ryuzuki. You were quite surprised to see the man claiming a wallet that was bright pink with a distinctly feminine design. You asked out of curiosity.
これは誰の財布ですか？
Whose wallet is this? Just then, you noticed the gentleman's wife approaching, clearly anxious, as she searched desperately for her missing wallet. The gentleman offered clarification, as he explained the Japanese tradition of wives adopting their husband's name as the surname.
これは私の妻の財布です。
This is my wife's wallet. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
龍崎は誰ですか？私が龍崎です。これは誰の財布ですか？これは私の妻の財布です。2.
Is a particle which is often used to indicate the destination of movement. It is also used to indicate a specific point in time when an action occurs, and not vague time expressions.
え、
Indicates the direction towards the destination, unlike
2.
which focuses on the end point.
2階の図書館に行きます。
Which means, I am going to the library on the second floor.
2階の図書館に行きます。2階の図書館に行きます。食堂へ行きます。
Which means, I am heading to the canteen.
食堂へ行きます。食堂へ行きます。
We shall conclude this lesson with a conversation between you and your Japanese classmate. Apparently, the two of you meet on the stairs, and you asked her curiously,
どこに行きますか？
Where are you going? She replied,
食堂へ行きます。あなたは？
I am heading to the canteen, and you? You responded,
2階の図書館に行きます。
I am going to the library on the second floor. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
どこに行きますか？食堂へ行きます。あなたは？ 2階の図書館に行きます。
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Japanese lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comment section.